In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save file in Sejda PDF editor. First, open your web browser and head to the Sejda website. This is an online tool that helps you handle everyday PDF tasks without installing anything. It works on most modern browsers, and your files stay on your computer until you upload them, so give it a second to load if your connection is slow. On the home page, look for the option that says Edit a PDF document. Click that to open the PDF editor. This takes you to the editor page where you can bring in the file you want to work on. Next, click the button to upload a file, then select the PDF from your computer. You can drag and drop the file into the window or use your file picker to choose it. Larger files may take a moment to upload, so don't worry if you see a brief loading spinner. Once it opens, you'll see your PDF displayed with editing tools around it. Now it's time to make your changes. You can click directly on text to edit it, add new text boxes, or insert images and shapes. Use the toolbar to highlight, annotate, or add links. If your document has forms, you can fill the fields right in the editor. Zoom in for precision, and use undo if you make a mistake. Try to keep fonts and sizes consistent for a professional look, and preview your changes by scrolling through a few pages to make sure everything lines up. When you're happy with your edits, click Apply Changes. This is the step that finalizes the edits and prepares a fresh copy of your PDF with everything baked in. Sejda will process the file for a moment. If you spot something you want to tweak afterward, you can return to the editor, but it's best to double check before applying. Once the processing finishes, you'll see options to get your file. Click Download to save it to your computer. Your browser might ask where to save it. Choose a folder you'll remember and consider renaming the file so you don't overwrite your original. If your browser automatically saves downloads, check your downloads folder. After saving, open the file locally to confirm all changes look correct. A quick tip before we wrap up: keeping a copy of the original PDF is a good habit, especially for important documents. Also, free usage of online tools can have limits, so plan your edits accordingly. And that's it. You've opened a PDF in Sejda, made your edits, applied changes, and downloaded the updated file to your computer.